whole big bang thing.
I have something, I mean, I totally agree with you on that, the halal part. I have something to add on later.
Yeah.
But
It's no holds barred, right? So.
Yeah, but you did mention KFC though. So.
It's nice, but you know.
I just had one last night, by the way. Let's move a bit on market mentality. Perhaps review your experience and your views on market mentality.
Yeah, so I've been with the Middle Eastern website company as well. We have brought in trade from the Middle East as well in terms of marketing the product, and also we work on products. Me and my partners have created products in Malaysia as well. So in terms of the market mentality, we are in this era where it is the most beneficial time for growth in terms of promoting products from Malaysia, because I believe we have one of the strongest, if not the strongest, brand in terms of halal in the world. I mean, other countries are also seeking out for the status, the strict requirements there is in Malaysia. But in terms of marketing, let's say a halal product to different markets, let's say the non-Muslims and the Muslims, I feel that the messaging can be a lot better for brands. Sometimes they may not convey the right message to the right audience, and they just come up with one generic message for all. So I feel in terms of positioning, it can be a lot better in terms of marketing by understanding the benefits of, let's say, halal. Because there's a lot of misconception to, let's say, if you're trying to export your product into the in other parts of the world that are probably a non-Muslim. Let's say you're a manufacturer here, but the concept may not be fully understood by, let's say, non-Muslims. But there are very underrated aspects of halal that is very appreciated by people. Like example, the way they handle food, the handling of food, the hygiene factor, which should be conveyed more effectively to a wider audience. Like I think I agree, recently also read this article in Johor, I believe. A mama restaurant just slapped on the logo, Jakim, but they do not follow any principles of, let's say, food handling that is required in halal. So I believe in terms of marketing, we should go beyond the logo, but to also show and convey the process of handling the hygiene factors, which I feel are severely underrated in terms of how brands convey it to a wider audience.
It's more on the positioning of branding.
Yes.